Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you pink and white acrylic toenails. Now let's get started.
Sanitize your hands and your client's feet with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast-acting acetone polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Etch the nail with the disposable 100 grit purple terminator etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle. Make sure you get all the skin off the nail. Make sure there's no shiny spots. Properly etching the nail eliminates 75% of lifting. Push back the cuticle using the tritium stone. Make sure there's no cuticle that's grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this can cause lifting. Dust off the nails using a plastic manicure brush. If there's any dust on the nail, this can also cause lifting. Apply your first coat of primer and let this coat dry. This kills all the germs on the nail and dries out all the oils in the nail. Apply your second coat of primer so the primer is wet when you apply your acrylic. This promotes adhesion. This is going to be a very wet small ball. Dip your brush in. Only wipe off a little bit of liquid. Pick up a small ball. Place this ball onto the free edge area. Pat it across. Wipe off your brush, get a little liquid, make your smile line. Get it just how you like it. Pat it out a little bit. Even up your tip. Wipe off your brush. Get your pink ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. Again, using plenty of liquid. Place your ball halfway down the nail. Let it flow. And then stroke it out. Side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. This is your third ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball about 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. We're going to release a little bit of liquid so it spreads all the way from side to side. Stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. This is your fourth ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away from you. Drag towards you. Place this ball almost at the cuticle. Let it flow. Then stroke it out, side, side, center. Apply your second coat of primer. This is going to be a very wet, very tiny ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away a little bit more because our ball is going to be so little. Place this ball onto the free edge area. Pat it across, side to side. Wipe off your brush, get a little liquid. Make your smile line. Wipe off your brush. We're going to get the pink ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. Very tiny little pink ball. Pat it across. Stroke it out. Wipe off your brush. These nails are so tiny, you can use less balls. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. We're going to get a very small little pink ball. This is your cuticle ball. And then stroke it out, side, side, center. We're not going to place a fourth ball. That would make it too thick. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. A little bit too big. Want a tiny little ball. Dip it in. A little bit less liquid. Tiny little ball. Place this ball onto the free edge. Pat it across. Wipe off your brush. Make your smile line. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Very small little pink ball. Let it flow, stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Drag towards you, tiny little ball. This is your cuticle ball. Stroke it out, side, side, center. Apply your primer. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Tiny little ball. Place this ball onto the free edge area. Pat it across. Wipe off your brush, get a little liquid. Make your smile line. Even it up. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Drag towards you, tiny little pink ball. Let it flow, stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Drag towards you, tiny little cuticle ball. Stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Now the pinky's going to be a little bit tricky. We don't have a lot of nail here. So we'll probably end up just building it up a little bit. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Tiny little ball. That's a little bit too big. That's a little baby nail. A little bit more. Pat it across. Make your smile line. We're actually going to make it a little bit longer, so we're going to free form it out there a little bit. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Tiny little pink ball. Stroke it out. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. Drag towards you a little tiny little pink ball. It's your cuticle ball. Go all the way over to the side. Side, side, center. Now, how easy and how fun was that? I will be filing the nails in 5 steps using my long-lasting 180 zebra. First, I'm going to score the edges so I don't cut the cuticle. And then dispose of my etcher. Step number 1, come straight out from the nail groove on the right. Step number 2, come straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 3, shape the free edge. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Nice long strokes. There's a little road around the cuticle, acrylic, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road. Make sure the product's flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. And go around the little road. Little toes are always fun. They're a little wiggly. Okay. Step number 5, lightly bevel the free edge. Buff the nails with the clean finish buffing file. Again, nice long strokes, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, go around the cuticle, make sure the cuticle area is flush with the natural nail. Bevel towards the tip. Nice long strokes. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. After I apply the cuticle oil, I like to do just one more quick buff, just to make sure they're nice and smooth. I will be applying caliceter. Make sure to put on gloves before you apply your caliceter, as it is very strong. Get a very small amount. And then wipe it onto the callus areas only. Don't get it on the skin, just the rough areas, which is the heel area and up here in the ball of the foot. and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. File off the softened callus with your purple Terminator foot file. I will be exfoliating with the Peach Spa Sugar Scrub. Scoop out just a little bit. Rub it into your hands. Rub it into the foot. Again, between the toes. This feels really good. Clean off the foot with a nice warm towel. Before doing the massage, spray the feet with spray paint away. This relieves aches and pains and revitalizes the feet. I like to do the massage without any gloves on. I think it just feels nicer. Just a nice little quick massage. Your clients are going to love this. They have beautiful toenails and a nice little mini pedi. This is a great service. Before I apply my A+ top coat, I'm going to clean off the nails with my sanitize and a plastic manicure brush. I will be applying air dry A+ top coat. This is an acrylic sealer that has whiteners to keep your pink and whites bright. Nice long strokes. I like to apply 2 coats. I let the first coat dry for a few seconds and apply my second coat. Now we have our pink and white acrylic toenails.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.